Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a board secret in Pinterest. So you are just going to click on your profile, which is the fourth one on the bottom tab. And for example, you want to make this board like secret, and to do that, you are just going to select the three dots on the top right corner. Press edit board, and then under settings, as you can see, there is make this board secret. Only you and collaborators will see this board, and you can just enable it. You can even add collaborators here, and you have like these other settings, which maybe I'll talk in another video, but that is basically how you can make your board secret. Just press done. And as you can see, there is a secret board, like you can see the text under it. And you can also see there's like a lock icon on the board. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!